I have a seller who will hold the property until I sell it up to a year. This way I get out of paying transfer and closing costs. I'm going to do repairs on the property and then resell it on the market. How do I structure it so I can buy it for 100,000, do significant repairs and resell it for 200,000?
Gosh, Keith, I'm sure glad you asked because you're heading down the wrong path on that house. Under no circumstances do you renovate a house that you do not own with your money. That would be a huge mistake. Once you get it renovated, the seller might decide they want it back, and there's a whole lot you can do about it except try to sue them and stop them. But they may win and you may lose because you didn't have good legal counsel. Don't do it. You can either put it under contract to buy as is and then sell it as is, or you must close on it and own it before you renovate it. You can buy it with a wraparound mortgage or a first mortgage if there's no underlying debt, but you must own it before you go repairing it.
Follow for more.